Today, you're going to learn how to add Adaptive MACD Deluxe in this quick and easy guide. To begin, make sure you have TradingView open with the chart you want to analyze. This indicator works across any market and time frame, so whether you focus on crypto, forex, stocks, or indices, the process will be exactly the same. Having your chart ready allows you to see the indicator instantly once it's applied, making it easier to understand how it reacts to price movement. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the TradingView interface and find the Indicators button. This is the main section where all built-in and community-created indicators are stored. Clicking on it opens the indicator search window. This tool is incredibly helpful because it filters thousands of indicators down to the one you need with just a simple search, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Inside the search bar, type Adaptive MACD. You don't need to type anything more because TradingView will automatically display all indicators that match the name. Keeping your search entry short helps ensure you find the exact tool quickly without scrolling through long lists. Once the results appear, look for Adaptive MACD Deluxe. When you see it, click on it, and the indicator will immediately load onto your chart. After adding it, take a moment to observe how the Adaptive MACD Deluxe appears in the lower part of your chart. This version of the MACD is designed to adjust dynamically to market conditions, offering smoother transitions and more responsive signals compared to the traditional MACD. You'll notice how the histogram, signal line, and adaptive movement help highlight potential trend shifts, momentum changes, and areas where price may be preparing for continuation or reversal. As you watch it in action, you'll start to see how valuable it can be for refining your entries and exits. The adaptive nature of this indicator makes it especially effective during changing market environments. It reacts more quickly during volatile movements and stays steadier during stable conditions, giving you a clearer picture of overall momentum. You can also customize the settings if you want to align it with your preferred trading style. If you want to unlock more features, additional indicators, and a smoother charting experience, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description to upgrade to TradingView Pro. It provides more tools, more flexibility, and an enhanced workflow for active traders. And that's all you need to do to add the Adaptive MACD Deluxe indicator to your TradingView chart. Spend some time practicing with it, explore how it behaves in different markets, and let it support your decision-making with clearer momentum insights.